Good morning. We are all in the car. Say hi. Ready?
Yabba.
Or that. And we are off to Blenheim horse trials, aren't we, guys? Yay! And we're going to go to see Nana and Greb. I'm loving the parking. We are, where are we, guys? Toot Hill or something like that. And we were hoping for a service station and we got this. But never mind. We think we might pop round the roundabout to McDonald's and buy something there. What you got, Al?
Double sausage and egg.
Muffin. Reese, what have you got?
A bacon wrap.
A bacon roll. And Soph's got an eggy and cheese roll. Oh, Soph's not there. There you go. You got eggy and cheese? Ben? You got eggy and cheese? You got a straw? What have we got? We've got an eggy and bacon and sausage and everything wrap. And Daddy's sat over there because he's already eaten. Ben, you in your rain suit? Soph, show your rain suit. We're trying to pose for a photo that Grubby's going to take, but it's proving difficult.
Look at the camera, smile, sausages. Say sausages. Ben?
Oh, Ben's disappeared.
That's it, this way everybody. This way. Okay, that'll do it for me.
Big jumps. Yeah? Is it good? Yeah? What did that horse have on in his trailer? Did he have warm boots?
Over the commotion of the now way cruising down to the border crossing cabin here, meanwhile on course, Simon Batcher running with Wight Victoria. Simon Batcher quickly back into the woods and down to the round Barbary Beach Shields. Well, New Zealand Harry Mead and Charlotte Offerman away cruising. No jumping penalties, 17.2 dive penalties, 64.4.
What's up with you? You seem to be eating mud. Should we go for a walk and see the horses? There's one behind you. Can you see it doing the big jump? Should we go and get Daddy? And wash your face? Come on then. We've decided to have a wash in the lake. So there you go, there's going to be a horse in the lake in a minute, and our kids. So Sophie's going to hit Daddy with a stick.
Yeah, you can go together.
Daddy in the water. These suits are from a company called Wet Wednesdays, and they have been so good. They are so waterproof, aren't they, Jack? Yeah, you're not quite the same. It's not, it's from Niagara Falls actually.
Right, out now. Out.
Yes, what's the make of your coat underneath, Jack? Sherborne?
Yeah.
Something like that. It was a very expensive coat, and it's not waterproof, whereas these guys are.
Peas and carrots. Peas and carrots. Nice and slow.
You're trying to slow that pony down, aren't you, Soph?
Yeah.
Maybe if you get your reins a little shorter.
It's 9 o'clock at night and we've finally got back here. Though to be fair, we didn't leave until after 7. It was raining a lot and I think the jumping stopped and they're going to do some tomorrow, but we are going home. And so we shopped for the afternoon, which was quite nice actually, because the rain stopped. Well, no, the rain carried on, everybody went home, and then the rain stopped and we shopped in the dry. So that was quite successful. I'll have to do a little shopping haul later. But yep, we are just waiting to get on that ferry. And you're the only one awake, aren't you?
Dark.
It is dark. You're awake because you were asleep on the floor of the tent where we were eating for about 2 hours, weren't you, Ben? Did you ever sleep at the show?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I kind of thought that there was more to it than that, but this is my haul from Blenheim. It's late at night, I can't cope. I got 3 jumpers. There is this one, it's a pinky one, that's quite a close fit. This one, which is like a middle-sized fit, and this one, which is a bigger fit. They are surprisingly all a little bit different in style. These two have got their logo across the front, and this one has got the logo on the boob. And they were, I can't remember, £35 each, or 3 for £75. So I bought 3. I thought I'd treat myself and have a hoodie year. Then Jack didn't want to be left out and didn't want to be wet anymore, so we bought him a hopefully now waterproof new field coat. I think it's called a field coat. A coat that's hopefully waterproof. Fingers crossed.
Bye.